Welcome back to another video of animation. Today we are going to learn one of the simplest yet most powerful widget in Flutter, the animated opacity. It helps us create smooth fade in and fade out effects with just a few lines of code. Now we move to the code. I already do code. Now I explain it. First of all, we import .ui for using backdrop filter and blur effects. After that, we import Flutter package for UI design. Now we get stateful widget for changes in animation. First, we take a variable double underscore opacity equal 1.0. This variable controls the opacity value 1.0 equal full visible, 0.0 equal invisible. Function to toggle opacity between visible and invisible. Void toggle opacity set state opacity equal 1.0 0.1 1.0. It means that if opacity is 1.0, make it 0.0, otherwise make it 1.1 toggle effect. Now we create screen. We use scaffold widget, extend body behind app bar. True, it means make the body extend behind the app bar for seamless gradient background. App bar. In app bar, we use title, center title, elevation, and also background color. Body, the main background of the screen. Container, here we use gradient for two colors, light blue color, aqua blue color. Begin, alignment dot top left gradient start point, and alignment dot bottom right gradient end point. Centers all child widgets. We use center widget. Here we use column main axis alignment dot centers widget vertically on the screen. Clip radius glassmorphic container border radius for rounded corners to the container. Backdrop filter adds blur effect behind the widget. Filter blur amount in X and Y direction. Animated opacity widget fades its child in and out. Now we use animated opacity. Animated opacity have property opacity, duration, and also a curve. We use different properties in animated opacity according our needs. The container that will fade this, its width is 200, its height is 200. Decoration Same rounded corners, semi-transparent gradient inside box, soft border for glass look, border border.all. Its color is white with opacity 0.3 and its width is 1.5. Centered. Here we use text widget to show inside the box style. Here is a style of text. Size box adds a vertical space between box and button. Now create custom style button to toggle opacity elevated button. Here we use different properties. Background color for button, background color, foreground color, blue text icon color, padding, shape, and much more like elevation. On press, we call the function toggle opacity that we create upper in the above. When pressed, it calls the function to toggle opacity button label. Opacity equal 1.0. It will show height box. Otherwise, it will show size show box. If box is visible, show hide box. Else, otherwise, show box. This is style of the text, and this is our today's video. You use now we use an emulator to see the results. You see that when I click the button hide box, the container is disappear. When I click show box, the container is displayed. You use animated opacity in Flutter to make your UIs more attractive and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more Flutter animation tutorial.